Hey folks, Amazon Web Services, that is AWS, is looking for highly talented hands-on technical architects and developers to help them accelerate their professional service business. And for the same, they are hiring professional services interns through their internship drive 2021. You can join our Telegram channel or check our website for more updates on active jobs, internships and scholarships. The job location is Gurugram, but you will be working from home until the conditions are well. This is an excellent opportunity to join the Amazon's world-class technical teams, working with some of the best and brightest engineers, while also developing your skills and furthering your career within one of the most innovative and progressive technological companies. The base pay which a professional service intern at Amazon gets is around 4 to 5 lakhs per annum, and in some cases it can go even more. In this role, you will be engaging in a wide variety of business critical and global scale projects for customers and partners to help them utilize the ever evolving AWS platform. To apply for this role, you need to have BS level technical degree or equivalent experience in computer science or engineering background with a GPA of more than 3.75 and more than 1 year of application programming and hands-on technical experience. You need to have hands-on programming experience in C++, Java, Node.js, Ruby, .NET or Python. The ability to travel to client locations as needed, but this will be once the things are well. Ability to contribute to the full-time internship and have good communication and presentation skills. You will be preferred if you are having experience architecturing, designing and programming applications in the AWS cloud environment, experience architecturing highly available systems that utilize load balancing, horizontal scalability and high availability, experience with designing and building an application using container or serverless technologies, strong practical application development experience on Linux and Windows based systems, experience working in distributed development teams along with extracurricular software development passion. The job application is now open and you can apply through the link given in the description.